Now we will solve remaining questions of exercise 6.3 from class 8 maths textbook, exercise 6.3, and I am going to start with question number 4 because we have solved question number 1, 2 and 3 in the last video. So this exercise is about square and square roots. Okay, so start with first part. The question is, find the square root of the numbers by prime factorization method. So you know the meaning of prime numbers, and because each number can be written as the factor of its primes, but we are going to find the square root. So the number is 7, 2 and 9. Okay स्टूडेंट्स, आपको सबसे पहले ये करना है, इसके फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं. So you can use the division method or you can write the factors directly. Now I am going to tell you the division method. So 729 is used as the first number. अब हम इसको डिवाइड करना चाह रहे हैं. आपको पता है कि ये ओड नंबर है, तो हम ट्राई करेंगे डिजिट सम से. 7 + 2 9 + 9 18. इनका डिजिट सम 18 3 से डिविजिबल है, तो ये नंबर भी 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. नाउ आई विल नॉट रिपीट द सेम थिंग. ओके, व्हेन द डिजिट सम ऑफ अ नंबर is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. So it is 3 2 ja 6. Okay, 2 4 and 3. Again this digit sum is divisible by 3, so it is 3. It is 81. Okay, again by 3, 27, by 3 9, and by 3, that is 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So you can write 729 as how many times 3? 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now make the pairs of the numbers. This is one pair, second pair and third pair. तो जब भी आपको स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना होगा, जितने भी प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं उनको आपको पेयर्स में सेलेक्ट करना है. सो यू कैन राइट it as 3 square into 3 square into 3 square, and in the final step you will get the result. So 729 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होगा? दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट. जितने भी डिजिट्स स्क्वायर में हैं आपको वन बाय वन सेलेक्ट करना है. सो फर्स्ट डिजिट 3, सेकंड ऑल्सो एंड थर्ड ऑल्सो, एंड द आंसर इज 27 because 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Okay students, I hope you understood. Note it down. I am going to solve next part, that is second, and it's very easy. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप बिना सोल्व किए भी बता सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट मी सॉल्व दिस. नाउ यूज दिस एज द फर्स्ट नंबर 400. It is even number, so divisible by 2, by 200, again 2, 100, 50, 2, 25, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5. So 400 is written as 2 4 times. Okay, and 5 2 times. It is written as 2 square into 2 square into 5 square, and finally you have to write the last step. Root 400 is, ये जो 2 स्क्वायर है इसमें से आपको एक 2 सेलेक्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट 2 स्क्वायर, सो राइट 2 एंड राइट 5. 2 2 जा 4 and 4 5 जा 20. Students, this is the answer. Note it down. Now I am going to solve next part. So I should solve third part. Okay, third part. Number is bigger, no problem. अगर आपकी प्रैक्टिस है वेल एंड गुड तो आप इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. यूज द सेम मेथड. ओके, 1764 ये इवन नंबर है तो हम इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. करेक्ट, 2. ना 2 8 जा 16. ओके, again 2 8 16 and 2 2 4. Divide by 2 again, 4 4 1. Okay, not divisible by 2, but digit sum is 9, so divisible by 3. So it is 14, okay, and 7. Now check the digit sum. 1 plus 4 plus 7. Again it is 12, so divide by 3. It is 3 4 ja 12, 3 9 ja 27. Okay. Then 49 is divisible by 7. 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So students, you can write 1764 as 2. Okay, you can write directly. देखिए यहाँ पर 2 times है, तो आप 2 square लिख सकते हैं. Again 3 is also 2 times, so you can write 3 square, and here 7 appears also 2 times, 7 square. Now write the answer in last step. Take 2, take 3 and take 7. 2 3 ja 6 and 6 7 ja 42. So the answer is 42. Note it down. Okay, move to the next part. So I think I should solve fifth part. Okay, fifth part. The number is, okay, I leave it for you. I'm going to solve seventh part. Seventh part is 5 9 2 9. Okay, so check the digit sum. It is 25, and before you divide this number, see, this is not even number, so don't think about 2 4 6 8. अगर नंबर इवन नहीं है तो आप 2 4 6 किसी भी इवन नंबर को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. नाउ थिंक अबाउट 3. Digit sum is not divisible because it is, I think, 25, so it is not divisible by 3. Unit digit is not 5, so not divisible by 5. So you have to solve in your rough copy and try for 11. Okay, 11. So you know the divisibility test of 11. आपको सबसे पहले जो डिजिट्स ओड प्लेसेस पे हैं उनका सम फाइंड करना है, और देन जो डिजिट्स इवन प्लेसेस पे हैं उनका सम फाइंड करना है. सी दिस 9 and 9 both are at odd places, first and third, total is 18, and 2 and 5 lying at even place, second and fourth place, so the total is 7 and the difference is 11. So this is divisible by 11. Okay, now we have to divide this number by 11. So write this number and divide it by 11. So हम इसको 11 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 11 5 जा 55, then for remainder it is 42, 11 3 जा 33, then 9 and 11 9 ja 99. Okay students, so try again with 11. It is 11 5 ja, no, it is 11 4 ja 44, then 9 and 11 9 ja 99. Finally it is divisible by 7 and 7 1 ja 7. So the number is bigger, but the division is very easy if you know, if you remember the divisibility rules. So 5 9 2 9 is equal to 11 square into 7 square, and the answer is 11 into 7, that is 77. So we can say that the square root of 5929 is 77. Okay, and I'm going to solve the last part of this question, and the part is 10th part. The number is 8100. Okay students, so use the same method. 8100, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, you can divide it by 9 also, because you know that 9 9 is 81. It doesn't matter by which number you divide. आप पहले किस नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं ये मैटर नहीं करता, बिकॉज फाइनली जो फैक्टर्स मिलेंगे जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स होंगे वो सेम होंगे. So you can divide it by, but it is a good practice to start with 2. So हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 4 जा 8 and 8000, so it is 4050. Okay, again divide by 2. 4050 means 2025. And now you can see that the digit sum is divisible by 3, so divide it by 3. Now it is 3 6 ja 18, then it is 22, 3 7 ja 21 and 5. Okay, now check the digit sum again. Again it is divisible by 3 because 6 7 और 5 का जो digit sum of 3 से divisible है. So 3 2 जा 6 and it is 25. Now think about digit sum. Again it is divisible. So it is 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15, and finally 75. So it is 3 25, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5. So you can write 8100 as, okay, 2 is 2 times 2 square, 3 is 4 times, so you can write 3 square into 3 square, and finally 5 is also 2 times. Now write the answer. Square root of 8100 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 2 5 are 10 and it is 9. Okay, so 10 into 9, that is 90. Means we can say that the square root of 8100 is 90. So you can note it down. The values is bigger. Okay, कुछ क्वेश्चंस में वैल्यू जो है, जो नंबर है वो बिगर है, बट उनके लिए स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना बहुत इजी होता है. सो this question is finished. Now I'm going to solve the next question. Okay, so students, next question is also important and it is also based on prime factors. तो इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए हम सबसे पहले इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स ही फाइंड करेंगे, then we will use a different approach. So I will explain that thing. Now it is question number 5. Question is, for each of the numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट पार्ट सोल्व करते हैं. द नंबर इज 252 एंड you know that it is not a perfect square because the unit digit is 2. तो किसी भी नंबर में यूनिट पोजीशन पे 2 3 7 और 8 होगा तो वो नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द prime factors of this number. Okay, use the division method. Now 252, तो हम इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. इट इज 2. ओके, 126. देन हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे अगेन, इट इज 63. देन 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, इट इज 21. 3, इट इज 7 एंड 7 1 जा 7. Okay, now 252 is written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So you can see that this 2 is in pair, 3 also is in pair, but 7 is not in pair. तो हमें एक 7 और चाहिए जिससे कि ये 7 पेयर में बन जाएगा. Now you have to give the reason. Since 7 is unpaired, so we have to multiply by 7. Okay, multiply by 7 to get a perfect square number, to get a perfect स्क्वायर नंबर, यू हैव टू राइट दिस स्टेटमेंट, बिकॉज जो भी नंबर्स पेयर में होते हैं, अगर सारे नंबर्स पेयर में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं तो हम इजीली स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड कर सकते हैं, बट हियर 7 इज अनपेयर्ड. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट दिस स्टेटमेंट, आपको यही स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज लिखना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज also find the square root of the number so obtained. Now the new number equals to, okay, it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So the square root of new number will be, okay, what is the new number? It is, just we have multiplied by 7, so you have to multiply 252 by 7, because the number originally was 257. So it is 7 to the 14, 1, 7 5 the 35 plus 1, 36, then 7 to the 14 plus 3, 17. The number is 1764, and the square root, okay, so square root is 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42. Okay students, note it down, and gradually you will learn the process. So there is another part of question number 5, second part. The number is 80. So I am going to factorize this 180. So it is divisible by 2, 2, 90, 2, 45, 3, 15, 3, 5, and 5, 1. So write 180 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. You can see that 5 is unpaired. So write the statement, since 5 is unpaired, so we multiply by 5 to get perfect square number. Means हमें इस नंबर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, then you have to write these steps. Okay, so new number is 180 into 5, and it will be 900, and it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, and hence the square root is 2 into 3 into 5. Finally the answer is 2 3s are 6, and 6 into 5 is 30. So we have to multiply by 5, and the square root of the number so obtained is 30. So this is the method. Now I think I should solve one more part. So, and I am going to solve third part of question number 5. The number is 1008. So use the same method. हम 1008 के prime factors find करेंगे. Okay students. So it is even number divided by 2. 1008, that will be 104. Okay. Again divide by 2, 504. So it is 252. Again by 2, so it is 126. Again by 2, it is 61. Now what about 61? This is 63. Okay, it will be 63. Now 63 is divisible by 3, so it is 21. 3 7 ja 21, and 7 7 ja 7 1 ja 7. So you can write 1008 is 2 is 4 times. Okay, then 3 is 2 times, and 7 is one time. So you can see that 7 is unpaired. Give the reason. I am going to write here. Since 7 is unpaired, since 7 is unpaired, so multiply by 7 to get a perfect square number. ओके, बिकॉज इन फैक्टर्स में 7 ही एक ऐसा नंबर है जो अनपेयर्ड है, इट इज़ अलोन, बाकी सारे नंबर्स पेयर में हैं. सो हमें 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा एंड जो भी नया नंबर होगा उसका हमें स्क्वायर रूट भी फाइंड करना है. सो वी कैन से दैट 1008 इंटू 7 इज इक्वल टू, that will be 2 into 2, that is 4 times. Now 3 2 times and 7 also 2 times because we have multiplied by 7. So on the left hand side the number is that is 7056, and the square root of 7056 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and the final answer is 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 7 are 84. So we can say that 1008 is not a complete square. We have to multiply this by 7 to get a perfect square number, and the square root of that perfect square number is 84. Okay students? Students, before we start solving the exercise, I want to inform you about first test. So it will be held in this month. You will be informed, and the syllabus of first test is chapter 1 and 2. You have to prepare both these chapters for your first test. As you know, first chapter is about rational numbers and second is about linear equations in one variable. So be prepared, okay, and be ready for the test whenever it will be conducted, and I hope you will score good marks. So practice for these chapters, study honestly and regularly. Best of luck for your exams.